on everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be out back at Social Sundays, and today they actually partnered up with Ferrari of San Antonio, so it should be a pretty big turnout. Be sure that y'all stick around to the end and let's get on to all this craziness. Alright, so let's basically do a quick walk around through the show. We're going to start off with this Ferrari 812 GTS, and then we have this crazy looking Porsche race car. I want to see this car up close, but there is so many damn people taking pictures of it, so later on we'll actually check that car out. But let's go over here. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted with all this music, but let's check out all the cars inside of the show right now. Alright, so starting off, we got two Porsches right here that look fairly clean, and then we have a crazy bright orange Huracan STO. Then right here, I think this is an F430. We also got this crazy Porsche, and then check out the Golf livery Porsche right here, GT4 RS. It looks so stunning right there. Amazing car. And then this is gonna blow y'all away, but we have a Porsche 918 that looks absolutely ridiculous. Let's check out this car with a few montages and the rest of the cars at this show. Real quick, we had some super special cars showing up. Two Shelby Cobras that look so damn clean. This one has a white racing stripes with an orange one through the middle, and the back one has like one completely similar, maybe a lighter gray, but that one has black stripes and a red stripe in the middle and not an orange one. But still some super crazy Cobras. Alright you guys, so right now we're basically going to be walking around the showroom of Ferrari, and holy cow, do they have a lineup in here. We have a LaFerrari sitting out back, Ferrari F40, a 488, I think that's a GT3, and then SF90, 296, 328 GTB. It's a crazy lineup of cars. Let's check out some of these with a few montages. So Alex was literally just talking about an SV that was gonna show up, and sure enough we had the Lamborghini Aventador SV with the SVJ and the orange Aventador S show up together. So it's gonna be a really good turnout with these three guys. Black SV, twin turboed SVJ, and Aventador S. We have a really good turnout today. Cars honestly just keep on showing up. Oh my goodness, check out that classic over there. That thing's crazy looking. Alright, so right now we basically just checked out most of the cars that are over there, and over here it looks like they still have some more cars parking up, so let's check out some of the cars that are on this side. We're gonna start off with a couple of Dodge Vipers. We got this black one right here, and then we have this red one with white stripes. I'd honestly go with the red one. That thing looks so clean. And then I think this is some sort of Lotus. Not really sure what those cars are, but it's not really my style. Porsches right here for days. And then we have a Urus Performante over here that I believe might be the Zarate families, but I'm not 100% sure. It looks really clean though with the black carbon fiber through the middle. Then we have Porsches, Mark V Supras, another Dodge Viper parked up over here. We also have this white Huracan Technica. We have Ferrari 488. The Ferrari, I think this is an F12, and then we have this Porsche right here in this, I want to say that's like a PTS color right there, and then we have the Ferrari, I want to say it's a 360, and then a Jaguar, and yeah, I think that's another Jaguar right there, or an Aston Martin. But yeah, these are most of the cars that are at the show. I think there's actually a classic car right here that I wanted to check out that I did like honestly a lot whenever it was coming in, and the horn sounds hilarious on this thing. Check this thing out. It is a classic Ford. Not really sure what kind of Ford this is. Let me see if I can get a few details on what this is. Is this your car, sir?
Yes, it is.
What kind of car is it?
This is a 1930 Model A Ford.
Oh, wow. Bro, check out this C7. That thing looks crazy. I do not think I've basically showed y'all the lineup ever since that white SF90, but we got that white SF90, purple Porsche, green STO, then we got the red F8, blue Porsche, and then we have the 296. I think that's a GT4, another GT4, an SF90 right here. Check out how they can lift up their bonnet though. That's crazy. I've never seen the way they do that. And then we have another blue SF90 right here, a classic Ferrari that honestly I do not know what kind of Ferrari that would be. We got a Porsche Spider, not really sure what kind of Porsche that would be though. We got a Ferrari 488, another Porsche. I swear, y'all let me know in the comment section what kind of Porsches these are, because I am not a big Porsche fanatic, but I'd like to learn a little bit more about them. We got a, I want to say this is a McLaren GT, and then a McLaren 650S. I do not think I've actually ever seen a 650S in person. I've seen them in pictures and they look so aggressive. I love the carbon fiber. Check this out actually, from up close, he has a carbon fiber front splitter or bumper, then he has the carbon mirrors, and then check out that freaking carbon rear spoiler. That thing looks crazy. Quad tips through the back. Honestly, this is such a ridiculous looking car. And then right beside that we have a Bentley, then we have a Ferrari 488 or 458 I should say, BMW M3 Comp I believe this is, and then a Porsche. Then we also have a red Porsche, and sitting right beside that we have a white Audi R8 with red roof, which looks really weird honestly in my opinion. And then we have the Aventador S that showed up earlier. We have this McLaren that we saw passing by that has a really crazy purple paint, 600 LT. Honestly, love that spec. We have the twin turbo SVJ right here, and then the Aventador SV. Bro, no way. This man went sliding out. God damn. Check out this Ferrari 488. This thing is crazy loud. We have the 650S. And then the McLaren GT. Oh, God damn. Check out this wheel setup on this man. This thing's gonna be crazy. Oh dude, Alpha X? Holy shit. Oh, homie in the Viper slid. Where'd those guys come out of? God damn. Bro, the downshift on that one sounded wild.
The mat on it is fucking amazing.
Yes, sir. Damn. Oh my god, dude. Damn, that turbo sounds crazy on that car. Alright, check it out. Right now we're with my homie Alex. We're gonna go get some rollers of these crazy cars. We got the SVJ twin turboed in front of us, and then we got a straight pipe Aventador SV that sounds really crazy. So we'll see which car actually is the loudest right now. Them turbo spools are crazy. This guy lowered his window just so I could hear it. Alright guys, well that'll pretty much do it for this video. It was a super crazy event. Chasing that Lamborghini Aventador SVJ twin turboed by Boost Logic with my homie Alex was absolutely insane. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed that. If y'all did, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and also be sure that y'all go follow my homie Alex because he's always helping me with those rollers. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.